Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Stellar Lumens, or XLM, using your Coinbase wallet. First, open the Coinbase wallet application on your mobile device. Make sure your wallet is funded with a compatible cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, to facilitate the exchange. Then, navigate to the Trade or Convert section within the app to begin the process of acquiring XLM. This initial step sets you up for a smooth transaction. Once in the trading section, you will need to locate Stellar Lumens, or XLM, from the extensive list of available cryptocurrencies. After selecting XLM, specify the exact amount you wish to purchase. Before finalizing, carefully review the displayed conversion rate and any associated network or transaction fees. Understanding these details ensures you are aware of the total cost involved in your purchase. With your desired amount entered, it is crucial to double-check all transaction details one final time. Verify the amount of XLM you are receiving and confirm all fees are as expected. To complete the purchase, you will authorize the transaction using your chosen security method, such as a PIN or biometric scan. After confirmation, patiently wait a few moments for the transaction to process and for your new XLM to appear in your wallet. After a successful transaction, your newly acquired Stellar Lumens will be immediately visible within your Coinbase wallet balance. For enhanced security, we strongly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account if you haven't already. Most importantly, always keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. This phrase is the key to your funds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.